still be working towards making a strong mark in men's football at the FIFA World Cup, but Indian talent is already gaining global recognition in sports media. One such name is Gitika Talukdar, an Assamese sports photojournalist who has made history on the international stage. In 2026, Gitika became the only Indian female photojournalist accredited for the FIFA Men's World Cup. This will also mark her third consecutive FIFA World Cup assignment after covering the tournaments in Russia in 2018 and Qatar in 2022. However, her journey did not begin inside international stadiums. It started with a camera, a passion for sports, and a dream that took her from Northeast India to the global sporting arena. Born in Arunachal Pradesh and raised across multiple Indian cities due to her father's transferable job, Gitika studied in Kendra Vidyalayas before pursuing a career in sports journalism and photography. She later moved to South Korea, where she studied global sports management at Seoul National University, supported by a scholarship from the Ministry of Sports and Culture of South Korea. During this time, she also researched gender inequality in sports media. Gitika began her professional journey with the photo news agency and contributed to local media platforms before fully transitioning into sports journalism and photography. Today, she brings nearly 2 decades of experience in covering international sporting events. Over the years, she has covered some of the biggest global events, including the FIFA World Cups in Russia and Qatar, FIFA Women's World Cups in France, Australia and New Zealand, the Tokyo Olympics, the Paris Olympics, IPL seasons, the Commonwealth Games and ICC tournaments. Her repeated FIFA accreditations stand out as access to these tournaments is extremely competitive, with thousands of journalists and photographers applying for limited media spots. In 2024, the International Olympic Committee directly accredited her for the Paris Olympics, making her the first and only female photographer from India to receive this recognition under its initiative to promote women sports journalists and photographers. She had earlier covered the Tokyo Olympics as well, where photographing Indian boxer Lavlina Borgohain from Assam became one of her most memorable experiences. Gitika's work is known for capturing not just action but also emotion, celebrations, pressure movements, fans' reactions, and the human side of sports. From Assam to FIFA World Cups, the Olympic stadiums, Gitika Talukdar's journey stands as a powerful example of how passion and perseverance can take Indian sports journalism to the global stage. So viewers, dream big, work hard, and let your passion take you beyond boundaries. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.